problem that all this wall space is wasted. There's nothing here, a couple of pipes that get in my way, can't get rid of those. Then my bikes, packed up against each other, can't get in at them easily, can't clean them, can't service them, nightmare. Then all this floor space just gets ruined as well. Then like all this crap wood, it's just strewn all over the place, an absolute nightmare, no use to anybody there, and I keep tripping over and I can't get to my workbench. The other problem is that monstrosity. Look, check it, that was the tripod, look at that, beauty. But look, a couple of old angle brackets with some floor insulation to keep it, and it's on the back wheel as well. It was a temporary measure that's ended up being a lot more temporary than I anticipated, so I really need to do something about that. It is not good. There's a bike rack there, the back wheel, the front wheel's off, you've got a whole bunch of other crap just chucked in there, old inner tubes, everything. And then, to top it off, it's just become a dumping ground in front of it, so I can't even get the bike off without moving all this crap. So I need to sort this out. Plan is, on this beautiful clean white wall, let me find a nice brick. We'll have a little block of wood there, a little block of wood here, some bits coming out, an angle, frame, you'll get forks down there, frame will come down there, frame will come down there, back wheel, crank, handlebars will be turned, I'll slot the big wheel, front wheel in here, back wheel there, then in front of it I'll have space going the opposite way for another back wheel, frame, front, this way will just be normal for the wee fixie, and then we'll have the third bike will be on the ground and he'll just roll in because I use him every day. You get the idea. Instead of these two lonely little fellows being propped up against each other, we'll have one fixie going that way, one fixie going that way. The chains will never touch, the pedals will not get jammed, and we'll be laughing. So that is the plan for this evening. We'll get a couple of bits drilled into the wall, a couple of props sticking out to hold the frame on. The fixie will be a lot easier, that's like 10 kilograms. That one, because of the funny tube, got a curve there, and then there, and I don't really want to be messing about with the cables, so I'm going to try and find a wee spot in there, and then I'll have to do a wee curvy job on that. Probably just steal some of this packing stuff, make it nice and soft, make sure nothing gets in the way of it. And obviously it's a monster because it's a 29er, so big wheels, but should fit perfect in there. Pump. Tools. Cleaning. Gloves. Stairs. Wood. Shelf. Mirror. Weights. Oh.